So in this video, I will demonstrate you that how the softwares of repertory will be used for indirect study of homeopathic materia medica. And in this, I have opened Hompath Classic MD. Hompath is a common name, and Classic MD is a version of that Hompath software. And in that, there is one function, is extract, and in that extract there are further functions are given. Convert, and can you able to see this small letters? I think it will be not visible, but in this extract function, the first function is convert repertory to materia medica. That means whatever repertory is available, with the help of this function, you will be able to convert this materia medica. So I have also shown you the single drug study and comparative drug study. So there is one function, convert repertory to materia medica, and another function is group symptoms. So I have mentioned in the merits that it is a good for comparative study and group study method of homeopathic materia medica. So I will first demonstrate this function, convert repertory to homeopathic materia medica. I will select Kent's repertory. I will select mind chapter and the window. Are you able to see this window? No. So I will again select Arnica montana. And there are three options in this convert repertory to materia medica. Complete materia medica, that means you will get all the mind symptoms of arnica from the Kent's repertory. There is one more function, compare materia medica, where you have to select two remedies and you will get the similarities. One more function is differentiate materia medica, and where you will come to know the dissimilarity about two medicines. But first, let me demonstrate you the complete materia medica of Arnica montana with respect to the mind symptom. So far, for the newcomers, I will again repeat what I am doing. I am just demonstrating the use of homeopathic softwares containing homeopathic repertory for indirect study of materia medica, and I have from Hompath software, I have selected the extract function. In that extract function, there is one option, convert repertory to materia medica. I have first selected Kent's repertory, I have selected mind chapter, and I have selected the arnica. Now I will click on the search option, or there is the option convert, and within fractions of seconds, we will get all the mental symptoms of arnica from the Kent's repertory mind chapter. You can see there are 216 mind symptoms listed in the Kent's repertory mind chapter. If you open any books of materia medica, the popular books which students are using, it will not only give more than 10 symptoms, 10 mental symptoms of arnica, and out of that 10 mental symptoms, only symptom highlighted will be fear of being approached, But when we search, when we study the arnica mental symptoms with the help of computer repertory, it makes the study of this arnica mental symptoms more complete, and that too from more multiple sources. And it has shown us that there are 216 mental symptoms of arnica. This is the advantage. You can see within fractions of seconds, I was able to see these 216 symptoms. Then we'll select one more remedy. So Arnica montana is most commonly compared with Rustox. So I will compare now Arnica montana and the medicine Rustox. Both these medicines are in their syllabus. Any problem in voice? Please give me the continuous feedbacks. So I have selected two remedies now, Arnica and Rustox for the comparative study, and this comparative study with the help of computer software or with the help of homeopathic software. So I have selected two remedies, Arnica and Rustox. I have selected the repertory, Keynes repertory. In that Keynes repertory, I have selected the mind chapter. And now I will give you select the option of compare materia medica, and this compare materia medica, when I click on the button of convert, it will give me the information about the all mental symptoms of Arnica and Rustox. See, within the fractions of second, it has given us the information that there are 76 mental symptoms of Arnica and Rustox, which are similar. So first function convert, or first function complete materia medica, we come to know that Arnica montana has 216 mental symptoms. Out of these 216 mental symptoms, there are 76 mental symptoms which are common with Rustox. C. In the merit we have C. This is very speedy, this is very accurate, this is very less laborious, and I have also demonstrated how it is. Everything is with clicks of the mouse. You have to just click the mouse and the whole result is in front of you. Again, the same remedy I will continue. Arnica, montana, Rustox, Keynes repertory, mind chapter, but I will now click on the one more function, that is differentiate materia medica. Now this to remember the merit of this computer method is that it aids into comparative study of materia medica and group study. Group study I will also show you, but right now we focus on the comparative study. So first we have compare. Compare materia medica gives similarity, and then differentiate materia medica I will convert. It will give us the symptoms which are present in only in Arnica but not present in the Rustox, or the symptoms present in the Rustox not present in the Arnica. Now I am clicking on this button of convert. Within few seconds it has given me that there are 140 symptoms of Arnica which are absent in the Rustox. So again, we'll go back. Initially, we have seen the complete materia medica of Arnica mental symptom. It is 216, 216, out of which 76 common symptoms were there with Rustox, and 140 symptoms of Arnica montana is not present in the Rustox. So this symptoms indicates what? Differentiation between Arnica mind and Rustox mind. And same, there are 223 symptoms of Rustox which is not present in the Arnica montana. So this indicates the difference between Rustox and Arnica. So even though there are 76 symptoms common with Rustox and Arnica, 223 symptoms of Rustox is there, which is not covered, which is not present in the Arnica. So this is how this comparative study of materia medica is very speedy, less laborious, and more accurate with the help of homeopathic softwares containing the repertory. And this is the indirect method. Now the group symptoms. Now I will also show you the group symptoms. Kent, repertory, mind chapter, open. So I will give you, we'll select two medicines from acid group. One is uric acid, and another will select is nitric acid. Are you able to see this small alphabets? If not, so I have selected uric acid. Also select one more, nitric acid. And there is a function, convert. Let's see what happens. See, convert Materia Medica, it has given me 32 common mental symptoms belonging to this acid group, and from this acid group, or from these two remedies, whatever two mental symptoms or whatever common mental symptoms will be there, I will create theme of this mental symptoms of acid group. This is all about the computer method. Any difficulty, let me know.